I got the approach in. It's not quite what I was picturing, but I think it'll work. So I thought it was gonna be a little wider than that. And now I've got, which we did this last week with the that's the little electric I don't know why they brought a 1-inch conduit, but supposedly that's what his electrician buddy brought. So now I'm gonna just kind of scratch out in front of here in this pedestal and just try to shove on another piece and make this curve. I'll probably run it behind here a little bit, and then at some point it'll start curving back. I think it's going to be just for his shed he's moving down here, which is going to be somewhere in this area. So I got to get that conduit ran over here. Let's just run it over here and stop it, and then cut that down. As you can see, that dirt's a little bit higher. I want to get about 4 inches of rock on there, and then I'll come in here and kind of clean that up, start laying our fabric out. And I'm hoping the Peterbilt's getting the stickers put on the side of it this morning, so I'm hoping I can get this done here real quick, and then I'll probably run and get that and actually haul a few loads of rock with it. So kind of excited about that. But it's supposed to start raining tonight and all day tomorrow and part of Saturday, so I would really like to get, if nothing else, if I don't get it done, at least get the fabric down and get some rock on top of it. And maybe on Saturday I can come over here and try to finish this thing up finally. That is where we're at for now. I'm gonna shove some of this clean out of the way, finish hooking that conduit up and getting that dug first thing, and then yeah, go get the peat and get some rock. Concrete guys nice enough to leave me some their spoils right here. It's always much appreciated. Hit the edge of their concrete because it's a little green. UPS coming in hot. I'm actually just going to kind of notch this out. The only reason I'm going to go over there and just kind of put it where they've already got that dug out is I think that's the only way I can make that bend in this thing. I'll just kind of etch out a line from there, run it down that, then I'll shoot it off from there to go where I need to. I'm really kind of curious as to what wire they're going to run through a 1-inch conduit, because it seems like it couldn't be very big. You guys can let me know if you even like this camera angle. I think I need to find a new camera mount, because it's, I don't know, it seems like it moves a lot, but there's not a lot of places to hang the camera, and there's just a metal bracket right there that I can put the magnet on. Then put it up there, but like I said, you guys are the ones stuck watching it, so if you don't like it, let me know, and I'll see if we can find somewhere else to hang the camera in here. I'm gonna be able to get any rock over here today. Cleaning this up, digging that conduit and all that other junk, and then various phone calls. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so everybody's wanting to know where they're at on the schedule. People are antsy. Actually, I haven't messed with this stuff a whole lot. I guess I'll try to kind of get over there and place it in by hand and start rolling it. I'm just going to dump this on the end and maybe take the excavator to roll it out, and then I think I've still got my scissors with me to cut it down there at the end. gonna conclude it for today. I didn't quite make it, but I gotta go pick the Peterbilt up from the vinyl shop. So I got my name and everything on there. We will see if we get all this rain and stuff. I built this up a little bit, just so when I back out the curb in the truck, it doesn't just drop off there. So I may actually try to get a couple loads of rock over here first. I'll probably just back up, maybe try to just dump it on that and then just kind of push it across with a loader. I don't know about driving the truck. It's pretty solid, but if we get rain, it's probably going to tear it up. So what I may try to do is just back in and dump, you know, 1, 2, and 3. But I think I figured 3 to 5 loads in here possibly. So then I can dump it in there and work it across, and then just kind of work my way out. But yeah, we'll see what this weather does, but I'm anxious to see what the Peterbilt looks like with the logos on it. Plus I got like 20 minutes before they close, so I gotta pay them to get the truck out of the shop. So yeah, we're gonna chain down and head that way.